What's good, YouTube? Your boy Bossco back again with another video. Hopefully you're having a great day wherever you are in the universe. If you enjoy the video, hit the like button, share the video so everybody else out there can join. And if you happen to be new, make sure you subscribe with notification bells on, you dig? See everybody rushing to the back to see what's here. You gotta rush to the back to see what you can find, because if you don't rush, you're not gonna find shit. So now we see these here at the outlet, the LeBron 17 up tempos for $159. They got a pretty good size run of them too, bro. I know we've been seeing it a little cheaper at the outlets, or actually at retail store, Man Forces, but for some reason they still have them for $200 retail. I don't think there's any 30% off on the aisles, which is crazy. So now they have some Kyrie 6s. They got a few Kyrie 6s here, as you guys can see. We got the Oreos here for 99 bucks. Same prices we've been seeing them at Foot Locker Hollywood on sale for 99 bucks. They got a full size run of that. We got the original colorway for 109. I don't know how this one is more than that one. I don't know if it's because of where they're made. This was made in Vietnam. These are made in China. And see, this is further proving my point, maybe. So like I was saying, there is definitely a difference between the texture and the cushion on the Vietnam pair and the China pair. So I don't know if that's why there's a price difference. That one's 99, these are 109. It's kind of crazy to see. But then we have the glows for 109 also, which is a fire shoe. Normally retail for 130. We did a review on these, putting some blue laces on here, really hit and make this shit pop. Let me know if you guys are a fan of that. Yeah. Animal Instinct 2.0 for 30% off on these. Got them in 7.5 and 2 colorways. Got the most small sizes. Now, so we have is this a Nike ID PG4? This colorway is pretty dope, bro. What do you guys think about this? This is a size 9.5 though. I mean, it's not a Nike ID. It's almost a PlayStation colorway. It's pretty dope, bro. There's a lot of people here, a lot of things going on, so I can't really give you guys what I'm trying to do. But this colorway is dope. I've never seen this before. If you guys have, please let me know. Excuse me, sir. So as we scroll down here, we get a chance to see now the Gatorade PG4s. There's 2 colorways of PG4s that we found so far. These ones are not too bad. Of all the Gatorades, this is one of the ones that kind of stands out to a lot of people. Let me know what you guys rate these from a 1 to 10. What size is this? This is a size 10 for 120, so that's retail with 30% off. Maybe some people might be interested in them, let me know. So we find some Zoom Freak 2s for 89 bucks with 30% off, size 12, 119, normally 160. Not sure if anybody's really feeling these or not, let me know. This is a colorway of the Presto React that I think is pretty dope. It's that USA colorway. They got them on sale for 89 bucks as opposed to 120. They got a bunch of these Air Max 90 Volt Green ones that a lot of people like. 120 is the retail, no 30% off. Full size run on these. Not a bad colorway, man. I'm not mad at this shoe at all. I'm just like, damn, there's nothing here though. This colorway really pops out to me. Pegasus 36. Nothing here, nothing here, nothing here. Now, I've seen these before, man. I think these are tough, bro. To me, this colorway is pretty dope. Let me know if you guys are liking the Wind Horses. They got them in a couple of colorways, but only size, what's it, 7 or 8.5 on these. These are pretty dope. They got them for retail 110 with 30% off on those. As well as these. These are pretty dope too. Let me know what you guys think about those. So we got a pair of baby Kyries. That's funny. And then you come up here, you got the Sapphires, 5.5 for $54 as opposed to 110. So 54 with 30% off gets you around the 30-something price range. So Cool and I are here at the outlets. This is the Citadel stop. Found very minute. A lot of resellers come to this one, so they scooped up things, but we did see a couple things, and we got more stops to go. Let me know what you guys think, of course, in the comment section below, you dig? So yeah, this is the beignet box right here. It's pretty dope. They drive between here and maybe like a couple miles down the block on Ventura. Heard a lot of good things about it, so I wanted to come here and test it out myself. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully it's good. Hopefully it's good. Hopefully it's good. Heard good things about it. If you guys have tried it before, comment down below what you order from this box. If you happen to be in the Los Angeles area or just tried these somewhere else, or where do you find your, you know, the best beignets? Let me know. So I just ordered my beignets. I'd never really tried them before, but they are all the crave out here. A lot of people have been talking about them, so we're gonna test them out. Somebody had already bought some, liked how they tasted, and bought some more, so I assume they're gonna be pretty good, man. We're gonna go ahead and have to see. Got Cool in the building.
What's up?
So, where are we at right now?
Ontario Mills.
Okay. Okay.
This is an outlet mall.
Mm-hmm.
They got an Adidas here. They got the they got the Nike. Obviously, they got the Nike outlet. They got the Adidas.
Mm-hmm.
They got the Puma.
Mm-hmm.
They have a New Balance, Asics.
Mm-hmm.
Those are all outlets. Then they also have a Foot Locker. Then they have Foot Action, Champs.
It's a lot of stores here, as you guys can see. So this is gonna be action packed. Hopefully we find some good stuff. You know what I mean? Of course, leave comments in the comment section. If I pass up anything, let me know. So we're here waiting for it to go inside. Let's go ahead and see. Of course, you guys know I'm still here with Cool. First time being here, man. I'm curious to see what this actually turns out to be. We just waited in line at Citadel for about 45 minutes or so. Didn't really turn out the way we wanted it to. Hopefully this spot is much different. So we're gonna keep the fingers crossed and see what it is. If you see something you like, let me know. If you see something that you maybe have copped and flipped before that I pass over, let me know that too. Fill us all in the comment section. All that information helps myself and everybody else out there trying to go ahead and get $1 with these sneakers, bro. We are here in the Ontario's Mall at the Ontario's Nike outlet. Cool with myself right here, chilling out, trying to wait and see for the doors to open. About 25, 30 people maybe in front of us, but the line has been going pretty cool. A little sneak peek behind the counter, nothing, nothing. Hey, how you doing today? So we're in here trying to see what's going on. USA merch, retail, no small tag, 30% off. So we're just gonna let this run. I've never been here before, so we're gonna go ahead and try and see what's going on, what's popping in the world. See if we can come across some heat here. You know, every outlet has something different. Wow, hold on. So we're in the hash wall. See if we find something here worth it. Guillermo's, never really seen that colorway before. Slide on down. Whoa. Are these Neymars? 60 bucks. No, that's not Neymars. Tailwinds, never really seen that colorway before. It kind of stands out to me a little bit. I'm gonna keep sliding until we see something that's worth it. Very hit or miss. I've seen a lot of people coming out here with stuff, but we waited and we went and did some other stuff in here, so some things could be gone that was here earlier. We don't know. Kyrie 6 breads return. 7.5 for these LeBron 17 lows. You guys see on the aisles, you got Witnesses, Fly Traps. You got these right here, which I did cop. The Kyrie Low 2 TB. More LeBron 17 Lone Stars, full size run. Fly Trap 3 for $64. $99 for the Kyrie 6 Oreo colorway, which is super fire. Now these shoes don't look the best to me, but they have some resale on them always, bro. You guys see these, 74 bucks. They go for like 160. This looks crazy, but it's $75 with 30% off. But these have a good pretty good resale on them also. These right here are pretty dope. These are like the Planet of the Hoops flights. The Planet of the Hoop flights. We've definitely seen these before. I think these are pretty sick, bro. What size are these? Size 13 for 120. Let me know what y'all think about these in the comment section below. They are pretty clean though. So it's 120 with 30% off. So retail with 30% off. Air Max 95, 119, 129. If I had to pick out of the two colorways, I might like this one a little bit better. But I feel like this crimson one has a little resale to it, bro. I forget what this edition this one is. Is this like the Baltimore home and away or something like that? It is pretty cool. Let me know what y'all think. Never really seen this color combination on the Vapor X's for the ladies. These are pretty dope. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section below. Retail with 30% off. So we came across these. Now for the ladies, I think this is not a bad price point at all. 79 bucks, 80 bucks as opposed to the 160 price point. No 30% off, but I think this is a pretty good price. Let me know what you guys think. They got a pretty good size run here too as well. Comment down below. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section, you dig. Go ahead and look at some of the merch here. And they got 30% off this stuff here too, clearance apparel. I guess because the Clippers lost, they're gonna give up this stuff now for the low ski. I like these, bro. Tags on at 54 bucks. 54 bucks makes it $38. We're gonna take one of these home. See if there's anything else worth looking at. If you guys see something you like, you gotta let me know too. Next time I come, I'll check it out. I'll post the pictures of this stuff too if you guys wanna see the merchandise. But of course, right? Clearance, nothing too crazy, But I will be taking them Clipper shorts. They're like thick, heavy duty Clipper shorts too. Is this some tech fleece? 74 bucks too much. But yeah, we're going with these. 1X on these, bro. Merchandise, 2 for 25. Kind of good on the shirts. I got this, so I'm good with. I'm trying to see if they got compression pants for guys on the low, but these right here, all this stuff is not on sale. So we need to find a percentage off and get that, but it's probably already gone. 40% off the shirts, off the merchandise. Nope. I think I found what we really want. Even though it's about to get cold. Zoom Freak shirts, $24 for 40% off. Wow, $24 with 40% off. That's pretty dope. You always gotta double check, bro. Didn't see these last time. 8.5 for 140. Kyrie 6 Asia, the colorway I do own myself. Like I said, it says 140 with 30% off, man. If you guys like them, you guys gotta holler at your boy. Now, these have to be some type of Neymars because I have some Neymar cleats that look just like this. These are pretty dope. Size 10. I guess it's retail 59 bucks on these. That's crazy. Top half fire trash. They look pretty dope though. Picked up a pair of these already. Zoom Fly 3, 59 bucks. I might have got them for even a little cheaper than that. Not a bad shoe at all. Yeah, so that's pretty much it, bro. Kyrie 6 is on deck. We already dealt with this before. Now, I never seen these Viermos before. These are some, okay, these are some by you. These are some IDs. Definitely look like they've been worn before, but the colorway is definitely something that pops out and stands out. What do you guys think about this shoe in the comment section below? Do you guys like that color combination they use for these shoes, bro? They letting you Nike ID everything. I didn't know that. Perfect. Nothing about this grind, son. We out here again, busting it down. 3rd, 4th location. Now we're on Hollywood Boulevard. About to go check out Shoe Palace, maybe Marshall's. So we are on Hollywood Boulevard right now. At nighttime. The night scene on Hollywood. You never know what you're gonna come across, bro. Artwork right there is beautiful. You guys gotta check this stuff out. A lot of dope airbrush stuff. Spider-Man getting his groove on. Me and Cool here about to go over to Marshall's really quick. See what we can find out there. Look at Wonder Woman. So yeah, so we're out here chilling out. You can buy your fake money. Look at the fake money right there. That's fire. Look like real money. Oh yeah, that's what I want right here. You go down, rolling blade. Yeah, got it all from my B-roll camera. The Man Chinese Theater at night. Y'all might not have seen this really at night. Outdoor. Yeah. Ain't been out here at nighttime in a long time. Hollywood nightlife a little different from the Hollywood day life that you guys have seen. Of course. Of course. All walks of life on the boulevard, you dig? So we are back at Marshall's once again. This is my first time being here at this location this late, so there could be some good stuff here from restocking early in the day, or it could all be gone because they never restocked them earlier. It's about like 7, almost 8 o'clock. I usually come here at like 9, 10, or like 10, 11 in the morning, sometimes noon. So it's definitely gonna be different. Let's go ahead and see what's on in here. If you see something you like, make sure you smash the like button, share the video, of course. This thing just looks totally different when it's lit up at nighttime. It looks totally different from the daytime, you feel me? Let's go ahead and see what's in the shoe section over here. I was gonna be whatever with these, but these are $14. Yeah, 14. This colorway is pretty fire. I mean, not for me, but for the ladies that's watching. I need to know your thoughts and opinions on these. $14. They got a few sizes, size 7, all size 7. But this colorway looks pretty fire, bro. A Shoe Palace on a late night in Hollywood. This is a location you don't really see me at too much at nighttime. Usually it's always in the daytime, bro. So hopefully they got some stuff here that we can count that's worthwhile. And then we'll be on like Donkey Kong as we go up in here and see what the fuck is the deal, y'all. I cannot say that I've seen these before. This colorway is dope. That's why I had to put it on camera. It got the boost right there too. Solid, also solid. It's just, there's some cushion in here too, but that boost was really fire. Let me know what y'all think about this shoe right here. $149 for those. I think those are pretty dope though. They got them actually in 2 colorways. Which one do you guys like more? This white with the pink and blue is pretty dope. I think that's pretty fire too. What's good, YouTube? So we're here at Hollywood Highland Shoe Palace. Found some good shit. Oh, my mask just broke. What do I do now? So tell me what you guys are thinking about this Air Max 97. I think it's pretty fire also. If you guys see anything you guys want in the videos, you guys know what to do. I cannot specify it enough. I'm excited in being able to do that, and I'm excited that you guys are happy too. We've been fulfilling orders for a few people. It's only going to keep growing, bro.
Man, dude, they got these here. You didn't see these? Yeah, they get the smoker. They get these smoker loads. They only allow one per person, so usually I'll purchase 2 because I told them I'm going to get a.
I keep adding shoes, but what the fuck is going on here? I guess the alarms went off because I bought too much heat. I don't know what's going on in here. Oh, okay, there we go. So overall, tell me your experience for today throughout the whole video, man. If you enjoyed it, smash the like button, share the video, and tell everybody else about the channel, man. Share it on on your other social media platforms, and don't hesitate, man. If you want a chance to get these shoes, the things you guys see in the videos for resale, pretty much at cost, go ahead and join the channel. It's right next to the subscribe button. You're definitely gonna get worth your while. We already did 1 pickup today, and maybe some more during the weekend. Without further ado, I'm about to get out of here. Have a great day. Deuces.